What's the meaning of clamorous? Clamorous. Clamorous.
Clamorous. Clamorous. Clamorous is an adjective that describes a loud and persistent noise or outcry. This can refer to sounds that are made by people or animals, as well as any kind of noisy disturbance. When something is clamorous, it can be hard to focus or concentrate due to the constant noise. Additionally, clamorous situations can be chaotic and unsettling for those involved. Overall, clamorous conveys a sense of loudness, urgency, and disruption that can be difficult to ignore or tune out.